lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our lovely space. It's so good to catch up with you guys in a Saturday vlog. This is me on a random Saturday frying akara as per usual. I think this has become a tradition now, and I find myself at this burner every Saturday, nearly every Saturday, making akara. I mean, for like 5 or 4 Saturdays consecutively now. This has been a staple. I prefer Momo, if I'm being honest, but my family members like akara. I don't know. They've told me to Tola Akara. Anyway, I'm not complaining. As long as you're eating, I'm fine. Anyway, guys, if your akara is not frying and floating, you need to check what you're frying. It means you're not aerating your akara enough and it's not coming out fluffy and bouncy like this. If your akara does not look like it did BBL, you're gonna need to reevaluate what you're doing. Okay, just need to aerate it a bit more and it will come out perfectly. Anyway, we're having that with custard, and this is one of the easiest things to make. Like I said in a couple of vlogs ago, I'm trying to move away from plastic. That's why you see me using this ceramic Aldi bowls here, and they have been such a huge lifesaver. I think these things hate to see me coming on a Saturday because they know this one is for akara, this one is for custard. But anyway, yeah, they've been such a great help. This particular set has been so used in my house because I mean, I use it for pancakes, I use it for akara, I use it for baking, I use it for literally anything, and it does amazing work. It is very compatible with the dishwasher as well, so I'm very confident in leaving that for my son to wash or for anyone to handle. It's quite durable as well. So yeah, if you are looking to pick this up, I don't think the Aldi stocks this anymore. That's one bad thing I have with Aldi. Once they make something and it's really good, you hardly see it there if you don't get it as you see it. A couple of baskets that I got for my fridge and for my pantry, and I haven't really seen that stocked again in Aldi, so I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know if this is still available in Aldi, but yeah, I've just really loved it. I think on the same day I bought this whisk because it was a really good size and it was very durable. It is still very durable. Anyway, clean up as I go. How is everyone doing? How is our Saturday? Well, I believe you've seen this video on a Sunday. How's it all going? What is your staple Saturday meal? For me, I would prefer us to move away from akara every Saturday and sort of have maybe yam and egg, you know, any other thing that is apart from akara every Saturday. I'm tired. Anyway, I was setting the table because it is time to eat. I mean, I've been at this for maybe an hour. Yes, the time is 10 o'clock and I'm just eating on a Saturday. A Saturday is for environmental. I don't know if we carry on that tradition anymore, but we kind of have to clean the whole house, get through some of, you know, the dirty spots, you know, clean out any pile of clothes, wash, just make sure that everywhere is clean and tidy for the fresh week. Sort of a tradition, actually, because of the way I was raised, but yeah. What is your go-to Saturday routine? Do you eat first before you do any chores? Do you do your chores before you eat? What is the order? Anyway, later that day, I dropped the boys off at a birthday party, and then I went to go and sit down with this hair because I believe you guys saw what I was using to fry akara. The akara should have even come out bad because the thing on my head was about 2-3 months old, and I have been washing it in cornrows and just putting it back up because I could not be stressed. But I was like, no, today we need to do something extra with this hair. So I decided to do this very viral miracle knot, and it came out really nice. I'm using this extension I got from Shein a while ago, and it came in about 5 bundles, but I ended up only using roughly about 1 3/4 of a pack because I did not make my hair full. You can see that some of my parts are really big, and that's because I did not have energy, strength and power to stand and be making this hair for 15 years. By the time I was finished, my hands were knackered. But anyway, this was me the next day, which was a Sunday, and my hair turned out beautifully. I really loved how it turned out. However, I feel like this hair is really hyped and it tends to get tangled quite easily, very easily. Anyway, we'll talk more about that if I get the chance, but this is my Sunday fit. I just thought of this while I was getting up in the morning, and I'm like, you know what, let's just combine something. All these people giving us tutorial on Instagram or on TikTok, let's just try one of their combinations. You know these videos where you see someone talking about burgundy and beige and white is elegant, is this. I said, let me try it. So, and I did. I tried it and it came out really nice. I think I was matching with my husband this particular day. So here I'm just transferring my bag from last week to this week, and we must not forget the fan. I must also not forget to spray perfume in this heat if we don't want to be smelling like old fish. Okay, it's quite important because the smell from people's armpits has been torture, absolute torture in this heat. Sometimes I don't want to go out just because I don't want to encounter people's body odor. It has been really bad, really bad. Anyway, I'm all dressed and ready to go to church, but before I do, it's quite important that I go with my cold water. I think people know me and this Stanley cup. They know me in the church that this sister will carry Stanley cup and come inside church because I got to regulate my temperature. I have to fill this bottle with cold water, and I don't have AC alone. My children know that I carry cold water and they come to me, you know, during the service. Anyway, I make sure I refill the bottle before I put it back. Anyway, if you missed it, we have launched Tola Lusi Chores, and my God, I cannot believe I am finally doing this. Like, we have started. If you have not seen any of my advertisements on social media, either on the Facebook, on the Instagram, on the Chitchat, on Pinterest, and what other app is there again? I think we're on 5 of them, and even YouTube. We have a separate channel for that, and we are open now. We are ready to take your orders. Please scan the QR code on either side of the video. We are ready to take your orders. Please, if you are seeing me unusual form in this video, it's because I'm looking for your business. Please patronize us. Come on, buy what we're selling. We're selling good stuff. Okay, I talked about this in the last video, and we have officially launched. And yes, we have been getting some few orders, but it can be better. There's almost 30,000 of us on this YouTube, almost 30,000. Please, okay, let's get on with the rest of the video. Anyway, this is me back from church. This is really starting to be irritating to me. This intro, this spot, this place. I think I need to re-strategize because it's starting to get monotonous. But anyway, how are you guys? How's Sunday? It was hot today. It was very hot. Creativa was the very first jewelry brand I worked with in the UK here, and for some reason I can't seem to find them anywhere. I don't know what happened to them, but I've had this ring for almost 5 years now, and it's still going very strong. It still looks very pretty, zero tarnish. Yeah, this is from Julia. This is from our last collaboration. I have this LV bracelet here, silver and gold, and it matches my earring here from Julia as well. Necklace is Tiffany, and that was from Koi, my friends at Koi, and just my Van Cleef, and that was it. Scent of the day, I think I showed you, that was Salt Works or the Salt Factory. But anyway, you guys, I'm about to curl up in my bed and sleep with a fan on full blast. You know what, on second thought, I think I'm going to go downstairs, have a bowl of cold Gary, because that's starting to be like a routine now. Almost every Sunday I have cold Gary, and then I rest before I start back cooking. I think I really liked my fit today. It's rather unusual because I hardly wear skirts, which is very odd because skirts used to be my Sunday thing. I used to love wearing skirts at some point. Well, I don't know if it is, I don't know what it is, but I've sort of moved or favored gowns or or dresses more to having skirts on. But anyway, yeah, I put my feet on the side so you guys can get to see that. It's time to get changed, get into more, you know, weather-friendly clothes, drink Gary, and sleep. Rest for at least an hour or so. Then I'll get up and continue my batch cooking. But anyway, you guys, I will catch up with you. But wait, you guys like our woof? You guys like our woof? What's happening? This Aldi uniform that they just released, the shelves are empty. If we are buying it at Asda George before, we will want to go and buy it in Aldi. You have packed everything. Why? We're living small now. Why are you ordering the garments? I don't understand. I said, let me, after church today, let me stop at Aldi and check and see what uniforms are still available so I can get uniforms against September. Ashe, I'm not the only one planning ahead. All of be calming down. Guys, be calming down. Be Aldi, be stocking up more. Be which one? Who are we addressing now? Cause what's all this? They packed everything. The whole place was ransacked. Anyway, you guys, later.